high-income skills to learn in 2025. Structured with the three-act storytelling framework, pattern interrupts, emotional triggers, cliffhangers, and a CTA linking to your compounding video. Upbeat cinematic music fades in. Dark screen. Then, bold text animation. 2025 is coming. Are you ready? What if I told you you're one skill away from changing your entire financial future? Not a lottery ticket, not a crypto gamble. A high-value skill that makes you recession-proof in 2025. Sounds bold, right? But here's the thing. Let me guess. You've got 43 tabs open right now and still feel behind? Let's fix that. In this video, you'll discover 3 elite skills that are making ordinary people extraordinary incomes without needing a trust fund or a Harvard degree. But stay till the end, because the third skill, almost nobody is talking about it, and it's the one that prints money in silence. 1. AI-augmented prompt engineering. AI isn't coming. It's here. But here's the twist. It still needs a translator. Enter prompt engineering, the skill of turning human intention into AI action. People who master this are consulting Fortune 500s with nothing but a laptop and ChatGPT. Think it's too techy? The real gold lies in non-tech industries, using AI better than the tech bros. More on that in skill number 3. 2. Offer creation and high-ticket sales. Forget selling to everyone. Sell one irresistible offer to the right person, and your income skyrockets. In 2025, high-ticket services, coaching, consulting, digital products will be a $300 billion market. Learn to position, price, and pitch, you print cash. Or keep arguing with strangers in comment sections for free, your choice. 3. Capital efficiency, skillful investing. Want true wealth? Learn what the rich already know, how to make money, even when you're asleep. Skill number 3 isn't flashy, but it's the most powerful. Mastering capital allocation and compound investing. But wait, why is compounding called the 8th wonder of the world? That's exactly what I break down in the next video, and it's where the real wealth game begins. Click the video on your screen now to unlock the power of compounding, because knowing high-income skills is step 1, but making your money work for you, that's step 2. Time's ticking. 2025 is already here. Let's make it count.